Why does your scanner show the P0208 engine code? What does it mean? P0208 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector circuit malfunction cylinder 8. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's ECM has detected a problem with the electrical circuit of the fuel injector for the 8th cylinder. The most common causes are issues with the fuel injector itself, or the wiring harness and connector that supply power to it. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty cylinder 8 fuel injector. Wiring or harness issues. Loose or corroded connectors. Damaged ECM or PCM. Electrical connector damage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge and BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.